Here's the KOMOTO X1500. We're going to show you how to use the app today. So you want to make sure the scooter's on, so that way it can detect with the Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is on your phone also. The app is this Tuya Smart. It's the company we work with for the app. So once you open the app, it'll show here to add device. So you want to hit add device. And look, it's discovering devices. Okay? You can see that right here, how it says discovering devices. So we're looking right close. So when we're going back here, it's just real easy. Add device. It'll detect it. You hit add. It's going to show riding times G63. That's just the name of the motor controllers and stuff inside and the name of it. So you hit that, add, boom, bada bing. Here's the app. It can show you where you're at with GPS with your phone. You can turn on cruise control. You have headlight. Start mode is like, basically if you have to push the scooter to start or not. We have that off, so if you just hit the throttle, you move. It shows your mileage. You can lock your scooter here. Shows your battery life and then it being connected. So that's just the basic rundown of the app. It's really easy to use. It's not very difficult. Another thing too, when you're in the app, once you select the scooter, you can actually adjust your speeds too, which is a real important thing for going faster. So when you hit level 3 here, next to that, you can actually hit, select the speed, but level 3, and you can actually select it, and those are how fast your scooter goes. So that's how that goes, but you can actually adjust that too. That's headlights, that's the different speed modes. But to go through and adjust it, there's some more complex stuff that you can do when you hit more. And then that's where I was talking about the speed limits. So you can set this max speed right here, ranging between, the 37 max, which it really can't do 37, it does 31, but if you set it to that, so you can set to, the max mileage of like 31, 32, then that way you're all set. And then you can do that for each speed and you can adjust it. So you can set it and you can change from miles to kilometers, shows you the voltage and everything else that's happening. But this is how you adjust the 3 speed modes. So you can set your top speed higher with the track or with the wheel or for sled mode. So that way you can get a little extra oomph. It will drain the battery more when you crank up the speeds, but people like to go fast, so it is what it is. So that's the basic rundown of the app and the 3 different speed modes and how do you adjust the speed modes and how you can set the scooter to go faster. So you can change speed 1 to go 30 miles an hour if you'd like, or do 10, or you can even set speed 3 to really fast or really slow. So you can adjust any of that to how you'd like the scooter to be in the settings you want to have set up.